The deadline to submit my results was Friday, and it's already Tuesday. I need to run a reaction to get one more data point, but I'm out of dry methanol. If I distill it now, I won't be able to start this afternoon. Maybe I can borrow some from Greg. Hey, Greg. I need some dry methanol. Do you have your distillation equipment running?
Distillation equipment? Our lab stopped using large distillation equipment a long time ago. It creates a serious and unnecessary safety hazard. Then for a while, we were buying anhydrous solvents in this packaging. It wasn't ideal, but it worked all right until someone in our lab discovered AcroSeal packaging from Acros Organics.
Yeah, I've tried that one before, and it's a real pain to use. Let me see the new one. What's the name again?
AcroSeal from Acros Organics. Let me grab a new bottle to show you. Listen carefully. Hear that click? It's tamper evidence, so you know it's the first time it's been opened.
Oh, wow. It's a large surface area for the septum.
Yeah, it's 15 times bigger than the one we used to use.
So it probably won't puncture the same area twice.
Exactly, which helps to protect the integrity of the septum.
Oh, so the solvent would stay dry longer, right?
Precisely.
Oh, will there be a needle hole in the septum like this other one?
No, the septum consists of 3 layers. There's silicone in the middle, then Teflon on both sides.
Oh, I see. Well, the Teflon is very resistant to even the most aggressive chemicals, so that makes sense, but why is the silicone so thick?
It provides better resealing around needle punctures.
It looks pretty thick.
It's actually twice as thick as the other one.
Is it more difficult to puncture the septum because of the thickness?
Not quite the opposite. The silicone septum actually requires 40% less force to puncture than the other one, which minimizes the risk of needle puncture related accidents.
Oh, that's great. Our safety officers will be very delighted to hear that.
And the red cap seal provides an additional barrier to moisture once the package has been opened. The liner creates a tight seal with the rim around the septum to keep the solvent dry longer. Oh, and check this out. If you need a large amount of solvent, you just unscrew the cap under inert atmosphere and then close it up again. This other one requires a bottle opener and doesn't close up again, which means you either have to use all the solvent or you dispose of the rest, and that can be expensive and create unnecessary waste.
Yeah, a screw cap seems very convenient, but what if I open the inner cap by mistake?
Well, apparently Acros Organics engineers thought about that. There's a special rim around the bottom edge of the bottle's thread that prevents accidental opening.
Well, the cap seems like state-of-the-art design, but how do you know precisely how well it prevents the moisture uptake?
Well, we've been using AcroSeal solvents for several months now, and they work great in all of our applications. But if you want data, I'll send you a link to their newly published white paper. You can have one of my copies for now.
Great.
Oh, look at the methanol you were just asking for. AcroSeal reduces the rate of moisture uptake by 50% compared with the other packaging. Can you believe it?
That's great. I'll definitely take a closer look at this paper. Hey, do you have that extra methanol I can use right now to continue my experiment? I'll place an order with Fisher Scientific tomorrow for AcroSeal to replace your bottle.
No need. Just go down to the stock room. Fisher Scientific keeps all the essential solvents in AcroSeal packaging in stock here.
Thanks, Greg. I owe you big time.
The wide range of products available in AcroSeal packaging include dry solvents, organometallics, and reagents in solution. Stay tuned for more products from Acros Organics. The white paper and the complete list of dry solvents brochure can be downloaded from www.fishersci.com. If you have any questions or would like to order Acros Organic products, contact your Fisher Scientific representative.